Hi guys, I got the tailgate now for the high ice, so I finished that one. It's ready for priming. The reason why I did not remove this, to minimize time in removing it. We just need to type it here, the mask, and this one mask it, and then put a collar. So on the side, we have. So I finished that one, but my challenge is on the top. There is more need to do on the top. Yeah. Yes, that one day. So that's my challenge. So see you next time. And before that, we have a vacuum. So this vacuum we use it for sanding, using the rotary sanding machine, that one there. And we have a block. So instead of using water, so we use a vacuum to minimize dust or to vacuum the dust. So that's all for today. See you next time. This now is Friday.